The Debt Demolisher TV with Sophia Melone.
Hi everyone, it's Sophia Melonē, the Debt Demolisher, here to bring you the tools, tips, and tricks to help you manage your financial baggage the right way. In today's episode, I want to talk to you guys about the due date for estimated federal tax payments that most people have to file on a quarterly basis if you do not on a recurring basis have withheld from your recurring paychecks. One of the things that the IRS wants folks to realize and remember is that the estimated tax payments for self-employed individuals, those who are retirees, those who may be investors, those who may be business owners, those who may be corporations, and any others, that the payment for first quarter 2022 estimated taxes are due by Monday, April the 18th. The IRS allows you to file your estimated tax payments for individuals using a Form 1040-ES. And what this form does is it helps you with calculating and estimating what your first quarterly tax payment will be. So since income taxes is treated as a pay-as-you-go sort of system, this means that by law, you have to technically pay taxes as the income is earned or as it's received during the year. So most people typically, like I said, pay their taxes through withholding if you are a W-2 employee, if you get paychecks, or from your pension payments, from Social Security benefits, or even from other certain benefits that may come from the government, such as unemployment compensation. There's typically withholding that's withheld with that. But if you are someone who is not in that situation, you earn your own income, you don't have regular withholding that's being withheld from the payments that you receive throughout the year, you're required to pay estimated taxes. Otherwise, when it is your time to file, you may be subject to a penalty as a result of not paying throughout the year. So what are some of the exceptions for not being penalized for this, not paying your estimated taxes? So the exceptions to the penalty applies only if the taxpayers are farmers, or if they're fishers, or if they are victims of any casualty or disaster type situations that happen in the place of which they live or the place in which they work. Those who may have been recently disabled, or those who are recent retirees, or those who have income like on an uneven time during the year. So there's an underpayment of estimated tax by individuals also for estates and trusts that helps with estimating on that side of the house as well. So as I've mentioned, how you pay your estimated taxes, you would do that by utilizing the form. You could also go to irs.gov/payments to make electronic payments. If you have an IRS account, which I've shared with you all on the channel before, and stress the suggestion and recommendation to establish and create an account so you can have one. If you have an IRS account, you could also make payments through there. There's also other options through IRS Direct Pay. You can pay via a debit card, credit card, digital wallet. And then Treasury also has an electronic federal tax payment system that's available for use as well. But you do have to have an account profile set up in order to remit payments through that system. The IRS also has a publication 505, which is a tax withholding and estimated tax, that has additional details to help with clarifying what to do, clarifying how to calculate it, and even giving you examples with worksheets that can be very helpful for those who have maybe dividends or capital gains income that may sometimes be a little bit more difficult to calculate and determine what to pay. And then also if you could potentially owe any alternative minimum tax or self-employment tax or any other special situations. So be sure to leverage the tools that are available, the resources that are available. Find someone who could go through the material with you. I do offer tax consulting services if that's something that you need and you want more clarity on. This is a purview in an area that I am familiar with, so I would be happy to serve you in that regard. I do have a coupon code for tax consulting services in the description box, so feel free to check it out. And if you have any questions, you know where to find me, but make sure that you pay your estimated taxes if you have to.
The Debt Demolisher TV with Sophia Melone. The Debt Demolisher TV with Sophia Melone.